Hey guys, tonight we're working on the power wagon. We got quite a bit of stuff done today actually. I've been in and out all day. So starting off, I'll start you off inside of the truck. So earlier this morning, I grabbed one of the panels we had inside of the house here, and I grabbed the old door panel because we're missing a door panel for inside the truck. And I grabbed that and I flipped it around so it was the opposite, and then I cut it all out. Here's how it turned out. I gotta clean up the edges and get a bigger drill to drill it out a little bit bigger. I got it in there, it fit, but the holes just need to be a little bit bigger. But it turned out pretty good. It fit, so I think I did a good job-ish. Just a little bit ago, I got the window frame, the front. Here it is. It's kind of a pain, but I figured it out and got it out. Got to do some rust treatment in here. We're probably going to paint the inside flat black because I see it got overspray on it and I didn't even realize. So, oh well. But how it works, you got to take these screws out here on both sides, that side, and then down here, so it comes this way. So you can put the windows in and then compress it in after we put the seals and stuff in and bolt it back down. So that, we'll get to that soon. These, as you can see, it has grooves. So you start working it in here, work it in all the way around. Oh, it's gonna be a pain. All the way around, and yeah, it'll be fun. But back to the inside. So the seat, we took it out. Dad painted the brackets while I drilled the holes for the floor. Me and Dad just got the bolts through and in. So the seat's in there and done. It's not coming back out. So bonus, that's done. A couple little things I want to do inside the truck yet, but it doesn't really need to happen right now. But I want to get started on the seals and stuff. But it's kind of cold. I just don't know what to start on yet. But we finished the seats and stuff. And then here, that's still tacky. I bedlined the inside of this. That's all done. And Dad put a very light coat of orange over it. It's just, well, the lighting makes that look brighter, but it's the same thing. We're gonna do a salt bath or acid water or whatever it is, and kind of make it fit that dirty kind of look, like on that side. It doesn't look too bad, but if it doesn't turn out too good, we'll just paint the whole bed black. I mean, it wouldn't look too bad that way either. If we did it that way, we could paint the windshield, this thing up here too. But yeah, we got quite a bit of stuff done today. And also I was messing around with the carburetor a little bit and figured out the one I had on it was for the car. So I put the truck one in, and so the fuel line will come down from here, which I lost it. I had it sitting right there. Now it's gone. I was gonna put everything in. I made sure this worked before I put it in. Then we ran into an issue. So what happened, this is the intake for the car. It's a different setup than this truck was. So I was looking back at the pictures and I was confused. I was like, it doesn't make any sense. Because there was no holes here like there were in the picture. So I was like, oh no, I put the wrong one on. So I brought the old intake in, and I was starting to get it ready for paint and everything. But we just ended up welding, or getting them off that one and welding it onto here for both. This will be for, no, this is a choke up here. That one, I don't know yet. we'll figure it out. But yeah, so this is done. The throttle's hooked up. I just got to get a pin for right here, and it's good. So I just got to hook up fuel lines. The starter's bolted in now. We got to get that freeze plug. I might see if I can rob it off the engine that was in here. I'm not too sure yet. Well, I don't know. We'll see. But that's good. That's good. Hopefully that works. We don't got to take that out. That was a pain. Or it will be a pain. But we still haven't found a tube for right there, which kind of sucks. Hold on a second. Where was I? But the truck's going along. We got the gauges. We got to go pick them up from my grandparents so we can put them in. I don't know what we're going to do with all the wiring yet. I just don't want to deal with it right now. So we'll see how that goes. What else? I think that's it, really. It's just the little things that are kind of boring, but it all leads to the big stuff, so that's all that matters. I might dig out all the gaskets and figure out which one goes where. We gotta fix that yet. Crap. The rear window needs to be fixed yet. I forgot about that. We'll get it. Don't worry about it. But alright guys, I'm gonna let you go. I'm pretty sure that's it for now. Me and Dad were just talking about how we're gonna do the stacks, how much taller it's gonna be than the cab, because you're gonna want to see 2 stacks coming out of there. 2 stacks, that'd be cool. Kind of pointing out a little bit, but I just don't know yet. I don't know if we're gonna make the angle go that way or if we're gonna make it go straight back. I don't know yet, but we'll see. We've just been in and out all day. I took Lillian for a ride on the Banshee. That was kind of. She sat in the back. I can't find first gear anymore in it, so it's gonna be another big project and expensive because transmission's all messed up, and that's gonna be a pain. And transmissions are expensive for those, so I don't know. We'll see. If that's the case, I'm taking it to my mom's for a project, so it doesn't get in the way of anything we got going on here. And if I do that, I'm gonna take everything apart and painting just about everything. I should have done it in the first place, but. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you go. That should be it for tonight. Well, there'll probably be more tonight, but we'll post them tomorrow morning. We have the option to get it ready, and we can click on when we can post it. We'll probably post it 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. It'll automatically do it, so if that's the case, that's the case. But alright guys, I'm gonna let you go. There'll be more videos here soon, so alright guys, see you guys later. See you in the next one. Bye.